Follow these steps to fix touchscreen not working after iOS 18 update. First, restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Once you force restart your device, your issue might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is wipe the screen with a microfiber cloth. Remove any screen protector or case that might be interfering. If this solution doesn't work for you, you can try DFU mode. Connect iPhone to a computer with iTunes or Finder. Put the device in DFU mode. Press volume up, then volume down, then hold power until screen goes black. Click Restore iPhone in iTunes or Finder. If the touchscreen is still unresponsive, it might be hardware issue. Visit an Apple store or contact Apple support. So these are the solutions for touchscreen not working after iOS 18 update. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.